Hi boys and girls, happy June 1st. We are coming to our last month of school and our last few weeks. I'm going to try to give you some activities that could be fun for you to do outside. Today I have a new math game I'm trying. What you see is I put some math equations down on my driveway. Underneath the equation there is a piece of masking tape, and I wrote the answer to the equation on the masking tape with a permanent marker and put that down on my driveway. I then covered it with a tiny amount of baking soda. All right, and what we're going to be using to discover our answer after we solve it is a squirt bottle. I have a Sunny D bottle that I filled with some white vinegar. You could use a condiment bottle or any kind of spray bottle once it's been cleaned out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at our equation. So the first one over here I have is 3 plus 3 equals something. Okay, and I have used a strategy where I've drawn pictures above it to try to figure out the answer. So I have 3 dots plus 3 dots equals 6. For some of you, you won't need the dots. You will be able to do this without them. So once you've figured out your answer, you're going to write it next to the equal sign. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then to double check my answer, I'm going to go down to where my masking tape is. I'm going to use my squirt bottle of vinegar, and I'm going to squirt the baking soda off of the tape, and it will bubble up a bit because it's going to cause a little chemical reaction. All right, so you can watch the bubbles. As the bubbles start to dissolve, I'm going to see if my answer is right. What do you see on the tape? I do, I see it. It's a 6. Bubble up math. All right, let's go to the next one. This one is 3 plus 1. Now another strategy I could use is I could put the bigger number in my head and then count on. So the 3 is bigger. So I'm going to put 3 in my head and I'm going to count up 1. So 3, 4. I think my answer is 4. I can write it with my chalk next to the equal sign, and then I'm going to double check my work with my vinegar. Here I go. Let's see if I'm right. Bubbling up. Did my answer match? It did. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Let's try another one. This one says 2 plus 3 equals something. So remember, I can do this in my head. I can draw pictures, or I can count on from the bigger number. Let's see if we can do it. 2 plus 3 equals, okay, some of you might think it's 5. Let's double check. Let's bubble it up. Pretty cool. It's like a little science experiment. The vinegar is reacting with the baking soda. And I did get the answer is 5. Excellent. Let's try the last one. 2 plus 2 equals something. So I'm going to put 2 in my brain, and I'm going to count up 2 more. 2, 3, 4. I think my answer is 4. Let's double check. Let's get our vinegar going. Bubble it up. And indeed, our answer is 4. That was pretty fun. You could do this with harder problems or easier problems. You can draw pictures with your chalk, or you can count on. I know you can do this. It's kind of a fun activity, and it makes almost like a little mini volcano on your driveway, which is a nice clean place to do it. Hope you have a great day. I miss you.